Welcome to Young Learners Curriculum and get ready for our St. Patrick's Day story. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Lucky Patrick. Written by Young Learners Curriculum. Suffer level Pre-A1. This is Patrick. He is a leprechaun. He lives next to a colorful rainbow. He goes for a walk. He walks to a town over the rainbow. Patrick has a big pot of gold. It has lots of coins. Patrick sees children in the street. The children are dancing. The town is small. The people are nice. He says hi to the children. He gives them gold. The gold is lucky. Everyone is very happy. Patrick sees a family. He gives them each gold. Patrick is really tired. Patrick walks home. Patrick hops into bed. He covers with a blanket of shamrocks. Every St. Patrick's Day, every